Human Resource Development, HRD. Human resource development refers to the process of developing the knowledge, skills, abilities, and overall quality of human beings in an organization or a nation. It aims at improving productivity, efficiency, and human well-being. HRD focuses on educating, training, and shaping individuals to become valuable assets for economic and social development. Definitions. HRD is the process of improving human skills, talents, behavior, and performance through training, education, and development. It aims to build a competent workforce that contributes to organizational growth and national development. Features characteristics of HRD. 1. Continuous learning process. HRD is a long-term and ongoing process that involves continuous development of employees through training, skill development, and knowledge enhancement. 2. Focus on people. It focuses on human beings, treating them as valuable assets rather than machines. It aims at personality development, creativity, and motivation. 3. Skill and knowledge development. HRD enhances employees' skills through training programs, workshops, seminars, and professional development activities. 4. Improves employee performance. Well-trained human resources perform their tasks efficiently, increasing productivity and quality of work. 5. Builds teamwork and cooperation. HRD encourages better communication, coordination, and group decision-making among employees. 6. Enhances job satisfaction. When individuals get opportunities to learn and grow, they feel motivated, valued, and satisfied with their work. 7. Increases productivity and efficiency. Skilled and knowledgeable workers complete tasks faster with high accuracy, helping in organizational and national development. 8. Promotes innovation and creativity. Continuous training and learning stimulate new ideas, problem-solving ability, and technological advancement. 9. Reduces industrial conflicts. HRD improves relations between management and workers through communication and mutual understanding, resulting in fewer disputes. 10. Supports organizational growth. With better skills, performance, teamwork, and innovation, overall productivity increases, helping the organization achieve its goals. 11. High adaptability to change. HRD prepares employees to accept and adapt to new technology, work methods, and global competition. 12. Benefits national development. When human resources are well developed, the nation grows economically through increased productivity, income, employment, and standards of living. Conclusion. Human resource development is essential for both organizations and nations. By improving skills, knowledge, talent, and efficiency of human capital, HRD contributes to higher productivity, innovation, job satisfaction, and overall economic development. A country with strong human resources becomes more capable, competitive, and progressive. Economic development. Economic development refers to the process through which a nation improves the economic, social, and political well-being of its people. It is not only about increase in income but also about improvement in standards of living, education, health, employment, infrastructure, and overall human welfare. Economic development is a broader concept than economic growth, as it includes both qualitative and quantitative progress. Definition. Economic development means a continuous and sustained increase in per capita income along with improvement in living standards and reduction of poverty, unemployment, and inequality. Characteristics of economic development. 1. Increase in national and per capita income. A developed economy shows continuous growth in national income and per capita income, reflecting improvements in output and productivity. 2. Improvement in standard of living. People enjoy better housing, food, healthcare, education, sanitation, transport, and overall quality of life. 3. Structural changes in the economy. As development occurs, the economy shifts from agriculture to industries and service sectors, reflecting modernization. 4. Reduction of poverty and inequality. Economic development helps in reducing poverty levels and narrowing the gap between rich and poor through employment and social welfare schemes. 5. Technological advancement. Use of modern technology, machinery, and automation increases production efficiency, industrial growth, and global competitiveness. 6. Development of human resources. Education, skill training, healthcare, and nutrition strengthen human capital, improving productivity and innovation. 7. Increase in employment opportunities. More jobs are created in agriculture, manufacturing, and service sectors, reducing unemployment and underemployment. 8. Capital formation. Savings and investment rise, leading to expansion of industries, infrastructure, and technology. 9. Better infrastructure. Improved transport, electricity, communication, irrigation, banking, and digital networks support economic growth. 10. Social progress. Economic development leads to better literacy, gender equality, life expectancy, health facilities, and social awareness. 11. Balanced regional development. Efforts are made to reduce regional disparities, improve backward areas, and ensure equal distribution of resources. 12 Higher Human Development Index, HDI. Countries showing economic development scored high in education, income, and health, which reflects overall human progress. Conclusion. Economic development is a comprehensive process that brings economic prosperity, social progress, and human welfare. It ensures better living conditions, increases productivity, provides more employment opportunities, and builds a strong and sustainable nation. Therefore, economic development is essential for improving the quality of life and achieving long-term growth. Unit 3 National Income. 1 Meaning of national income.